Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to limit political content on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. On
In today's
Instagram,
video, I will
Instagram
show
don't
you
recommend
how to
political
limit
content
political
from
content
accounts
on
you don't
Instagram.
follow.
You won't
Before
see
we get
political
started, don't
content
forget
in
to
Reels,
subscribe
Explore,
and
and
turn on the
Feed,
notification to keep you
recommendation, or
updated
suggested
about this
account.
channel.
If you follow Instagram
So,
accounts
let's
that
go.
post about these topics, you'll see those posts in your feed and stories. And if you want to see more or less political content, you can change your political content control setting at any time. So, how to do it? If you want to see less about political content on your Instagram, on your suggested content on Instagram, it's so simple. So, first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now, you can tap on your profile. You can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Now you can scroll down and choose suggested content here. You can tap on that and you'll see several options like interested, not interested, specific words and phrases, sensitive content, and you you can tap on political content. You can tap on that. Now, if you want to see less content about political content, you can choose on limit political content from people that you don't follow. You can tap on that. So you might see fewer political or social topics in your suggested content. Political content is likely to mention government, election, or social topics that affect a group or people and social society at large. This affects suggestion and explore reels, feed recommendation and suggested users. It does not affect the content from accounts that you follow. This setting also applies to your tweets. So after you choose limit political content from people that you don't follow, you must see fewer political or social topic in your suggested content. The suggested content is like this on your feed. Here's all of your suggested content, and you will see less about the content too on your explore on Instagram. So that is how to limit political content on your Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, thank you and see you.